Sawadee, hello everybody. Today I gonna make some soup. Soup they call Thai or Lao they call kapok pa, no? Kapok pa is a fried fish snack. And now I gonna cook this one first before I make a soup because you have to clean out all the smell thing. You know, you have to clean with the vinegar and ginger. Alright, you guys have to follow me, and if you want to know how to make soup with me, and follow me Naly kitchen, okay? Don't go anywhere. Put the ginger in the pot. This one I gonna clean the fried fish snack. Is the look like this, okay? See? This one is thing is inside from the fish, and they deep fry. It's turned out like this, okay? And after that, I gonna put in the pot. You see it? Kind of smell a little bit, but it's okay. But you have to clean a little bit. I'm gonna make them all, the whole bag. Okay, just put this down a little bit. See, because they go soft really easily, you know. And I'm gonna put like half tablespoon of the vinegar. You know why you need to add a vinegar? Because it kills the smell thing, you know. Like this. It's soft really easy to get. You see a lot of oil over there. When it's done now, I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna take these two clean in the water, okay? Like this. Take it out. The soup, I have a fish snack. And I have chicken wing, salt, mushroom, the bamboo, egg, and corn. My kids like to eat corn, that's why I use corn. Ginger, cooking wine, and soy sauce seasoning, sugar, black pepper, and knong, like chicken flavor, black soy sauce, and cornstarch. I don't use the oyster sauce, but I use the black soy sauce more than enough, you know. It's dark already. And alright guys, you have to follow me, and I'm gonna make some soup. After that, we're gonna start boil some soup, the broth first, okay? I'm gonna add some ginger, some chicken, okay guys, I'm gonna add some salt, this one sugar, okay, and black pepper, soy sauce seasoning, and cooking wine. This one black soy sauce. Okay. One first to chicken flavor into the pot. Okay. And after that, not enough, and I'm gonna add some more. Okay, check with the pot now. It's boiling. Okay. Little bit dark the color, but it's okay, okay? About 30 minutes, and you add all ingredients. And baby corn, okay? The egg last one, okay, because the egg is soggy very easily. Then add last. And after that is the bamboo. It burned me. So basically, the soup is not too dark, okay, but I don't know why, but look really dark in the pot. Later on gonna be go down by itself. This one is float them up because it's really light, you know. And later on gonna go down by itself, don't worry. And I take it out from the bone, okay? But I still keep the bone because I'm gonna boil together and make until soft, okay, you guys? Just leave like that. It's fine. And after that, continue to boil a little bit. Then add some cornstarch and the egg, okay? See, almost got it, you know. You just really nice the soup. This one is for the winter time. Is really good. Okay. Okay. Ooh, you hot. I gotta cover this a little bit. How it go? Really yummy, everybody. The good flavor soup. The soup is ready, and I'm gonna add some egg. Okay. And after that, add some cornstarch. Okay. You have to mix first before you add cornstarch. Mix first because it's really thick and a little bit thick. The cornstarch is last, okay? Last one. A little bit more because need more. Don't make too thick. If too thick, it's not good for me. I don't really like too thick. Okay, guys. Now is the soup is done. Turn off the heat now, and I'm gonna show you how to serve this. Okay. Cover. Okay, I'm gonna make the bowl. Okay. Cilantro and green onion on top, and you can add some black pepper or anything you want. Okay. Okay guys, the soup is done for tonight. If you like to try some at home, please do, and follow my YouTube video, and just let me know how it turned out for you. And please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video guys. Have a good night. Bye. See you next time. Okay, bye bye. Really yummy. Let me try. Oh my god, so good. The egg is the best. I'm gonna go sit down and eat this one, okay? I cannot wait it. Alright guys, bye.